Ladies and gentlemen, it is your favorite genocide expert, Tal the Traveling Clat, coming to you live from Israel. We've got updates on the Freedom Flotilla. Apparently, it's either the wrath of God or a drone or some new alien military technology has hit and caused this minor explosion on one of the Freedom Flotilla boats. We've got an update coming here directly from John Lagarda, incredible content creator on Instagram, incredible reporter on Israel. I want you guys to follow him right now if you don't, and let's take a look at this video he uploaded.
Good morning, beautiful people. So the flotilla guys are claiming that Israel sent a drone all the way from Israel to Tunisia to strike one of their boats. Not Israel is declining it. Tunisia is declining. Tunisia doesn't like Israel. The fact that no drones were detected. That was not a drone strike. That was internal. I mean, what else can I say? Good morning, beautiful people.
Okay, now I'm going to show you footage, live action of what happened. This is crazy, okay? This is going to blow your mind. I've never seen anything like this. Me and John were going back and forth today, kind of theorizing what it was. Looks like it may have been an explosive that's coming from their boat. Look at this. Look at that. Boom. It's a minor explosive, yeah? And they all started freaking out like a bunch of little pussy-ass bitches. Hold on. Check this out again. Boom. It looks like a small asteroid, like a small meteor. Look at how they're yelling. They're fucking idiots. What are they doing out there? Officials in Tunisia insist. Okay, this is nuts. Look at that again. Boom. It looks like a small asteroid. I've never seen anything like that before. Like, it's just actually kind of mind-blowing. Listen, people doubt God is involved in the processes of Israel, but boy, do we know that that's not true. Zionist drone attacks Greta with plastic straws. And the memes are being flooded. All right, here's coming from our main Houthi propagandists, Ahmed Hassan. A drone dropped a bomb on the family ship, which was carrying the crew of Madeline, Greta, Diago, Rima, and other. The ship was in Tunisian waters. This attack is considered an attack on Tunisia. Okay, let's take a look here.
Hi everyone, Yasmin here.
First of all, let's just make something very clear. Tunisia does not want beef with Israel. They want to be anti-Semitic. They want to hate Jews safely from their corner of North Africa. They do not want to go to war with Israel. They are terrified. In this case, most of the Arab world is looking at the situation in Gaza and how Israel has kicked the ass of every single state in its direct surrounding. None of the Arab countries are like, we want a piece of that. They all, and these influencers are going to learn very quickly. They're trying to egg on Tunisia. This is an attack on your country. Tunisia's like, no. Hey, chill out. It didn't happen. You guys were in the water. It's not our territory. We're good. We don't want this heat. Tunisia's freaking the fuck out. They're like, please, no, don't involve us.
Hi everyone, Yasmin here.
Hi,
the
Yasmin.
family boat has been officially attacked. A
Hi,
drone
Yasmin.
came right above it, released a bomb, and it exploded, and the boat was on fire. Everyone on that boat is okay. The fire is out. But I want to tell you that this boat was the boat that every person from the Madeleine, the old Madeleine crew, was on, which is Greta, me, Tiago, Schweib, and so many more amazing people. They have bombed a boat once again with civilians on it in Tunisian territory. This is an attack against Gaza because they don't want us there. So we need you to mobilize. Let's not stay quiet.
Okay, what are we doing?
Hi everyone, Yasmin here. The family boat.
What's next? What are we doing next? Come on, you guys have to admit, from all the shit we've been through in the last couple of years, this is definitely the most entertaining part of the story. There's so much bullshit propaganda that comes out of the pro-Palestine camp, but the Freedom Flotilla, and this is part 3 now, it is the most entertaining part of this war. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. It's the most fun. I've never enjoyed covering something more than the story of the sailing retards, the autism flotilla. It's just the most fun part of my job. I'm shocked and honored that I get paid to give you guys this coverage. It's really amazing. And I get to make money off the backs of these stupid fucking people. It's a win-win-win-win-win-win. We get to sit here and enjoy. I get to make money making fun of them. They get to provide us with free entertainment. And I don't have to leave the comfort of my home. It's the most incredible thing in the world. Full battle stations ordered by Battleship Commander Greta Thunberg as they come under Zionist drone attack. Haven't seen this yet. Let's see.
These lights. These lights need to go. Can please turn them off? Thank you. So that one came very close and made very sudden movements, like it was going up. So, do we have?
This is a drone.
Yes. Can someone?
This is a drone.
I think the eyes are right up.
Greta? Is there anything above us?
When drones are above, we need to identify if those are surveillance drones or if those are attack drones.
Close to us. Okay? It's not the same exact aircraft who attacked us, the conscience attack, but it's in the region. So we should be very, the night watch needs to be very on point tonight. And I would suggest that we have more than 2 people on night watch. So
Night watch?
We can add Luke,
I think I will stay up because I've experienced with drones. Maybe someone else.
Oh, she has experience with drones.
Yes.
It's the fucking best thing ever, man. I love this shit so much. I love this shit so much. Hey. 1 second, I need to pause. 1 second. Oh God. Oh man, I'm crying like a little baby right now. Oh God. I just love. Can we go back to the beginning of this clip real quick? Look how she's perked up on the deck. She's like, look.
These lights.
Look how fucking stupid she looks.
These lights need to go. Can please turn them off?
Look at her maintaining eye contact with the camera. She can't control herself. She's so excited. Oh God. I'm crying. I'm literally, my eyes, I'm shedding tears like a baby right now. Oh my God. Can you see how much liquid there is around my eyes? Oh God, I love my job so much. I love you guys. Thanks for making this possible. Honestly, this is the best job in the world. I really can't fucking take it anymore. It's so good. Alright, we got these people are literally insane. I'm never gonna get through this video. Oh my God. How dare you? The moment I watch sponsorship. Bro, I can't breathe. I gotta stop again. I'm sorry, guys. I lost my cool. I woke up in a bit of a giggly mood. Oh my God. I'm so sorry, but I lost my control there in this video. Broke me. Fuck. Shit. 1 second. Okay, I'm done. I'm done laughing now. I'm good. Let's take a look at the next clip. Okay. Ayala Yacobi says, breaking. Greta Thunberg claimed her boat was stuck by a drone. Tunisian, just for Greta's benefit, at this, I've never seen anything from Greta so far. A lot of Greta stuff, but nothing has been confirmed or denied by Greta thus far that I've seen. Just to give her the benefit of the doubt. I mean, her retardation may have struck and she may have flung herself overboard. I don't know. Tunisian authorities confirmed there was zero drone activity in the area. Turns out a crew member set off a firecracker and blamed the drone. Another lie. No, it didn't. No, fuck. I mean, that's what when I saw the video, I was like, it looks like a firecracker. Why do they have firecrackers? What purpose is the firecrackers? What do you mean? What purpose? Was this planned? What did they plan? an international scandal. That's Tunisia's not like, fucking leave us alone. We don't want war with Israel. We're terrified. Okay, so this looks like what, a life vest and a broom and a couple plastic bags on fire. Okay, well, it's a lot less exciting. I'm happy we went through this together. Guys, the Freedom Flotilla Part 3 is well on its way, and the shenanigans have just begun. I'm so excited to see what happens. Greta's on the arrest list this time and supposedly going to be treated like a Hamas member. I'm excited for that. I'm not saying I want anybody to die or I hope that anybody dies, but I do feel like somebody needs to die, and I don't want that to happen, but I feel like somebody needs to die in this situation for them to finally be like, all right, all right, we can't keep doing this. Because, like, if this was in any other country, they would have... Can you imagine real quick? Hold on. Can you imagine real quick right now if a sailboat of Israelis went to go free the 10,000 Iranian Jews that are left in Iran from the IRGC? If they went to bring them to Israel? How would the IRGC react? No more Jews. Even if it was an international coalition, Jews dead. They would see it as an act of war. They would kill him. So I'm not saying I want or I hope anybody dies, but I'm saying it's probably necessary for at least one of these retards to die throughout this journey for them to learn, hey, you can't keep invading the sovereign borders of a country. Humanitarian aid or not, it's just not legal. And as a country, you have a right to react to it violently, and probably should. Israel's showing a lot of restraint, a lot more restraint, I think, than is necessary. And again, I'm not saying I hope or want anybody to die. I hope they learn their fucking lessons and fucking scurry back off. But that's probably not going to happen. So, okay, I'll see you guys in the next episode of the Freedom Flotilla. Goodbye, Klets. If you believe in my content and want to support me, just know your help is needed. There's a bunch of great ways to support me, being PayPal, Buy Me a Coffee, or joining my Patreon community down below. Patreon is the best way to support my channel, and you'll get a bunch of cool perks depending on what tier you join. Another great way to support me is by buying my merchandise on thetravelingclat.com. I regularly drop new merch designs like this beautiful hat, or this amazing shirt, where you can support the channel and get something cool for yourself. I also have an amazing Discord community with people from all over the world. Thank you so much for your support.